Hey everyone! Today, I'm taking you on an epic journey in the world of Minecraft, the quest to defeat the Ender Dragon. Grab your swords and shields, because this is going to be a wild ride. Our story begins in a newly spawned world where everything is quiet and peaceful. As I punch my first tree and gather wood, I can't help but feel the excitement bubbling up. Crafting my first set of wooden tools, I'm ready to face whatever Minecraft throws at me. But, as many of you know, the road to the Ender Dragon is fraught with challenges. First up, the creepy crawlies of the night. As the sun sets, the zombies groan, the skeletons rattle, and the spiders, well, they're just creepy. Each night is a fight for survival, and with each monster defeated, I'm a step closer to my ultimate goal. Mining is up next. I dive deep into the cavernous depths, armed with my trusty pickaxe. Creepers hiss and explode around corners, but with nimble feet and a steady hand, I gather the precious diamonds needed for stronger gear. Each vein of diamonds brings a rush of success, and with better equipment, I'm feeling unstoppable. But the Nether waits, a hellish landscape filled with even greater dangers. Ghasts wail as they float through the fiery skies, and the ground itself is ready to swallow me whole. Here, I must gather blaze rods from the fierce blaze, warriors of fire. Each encounter is heart-pounding, but these rods are key. They'll help me make the Eyes of Ender. With the eyes in hand, it's time to find the stronghold. The eye floats, leading the way through uncharted territories, over mountains, across rivers. Every thrown eye brings me closer to my destiny. The excitement builds as the ground finally opens up to reveal the stronghold's ancient stones. Inside, it's a maze of rooms and silverfish. My heart races as I search for the portal room. And there it is. The frame stands before me, waiting to be filled with the Eyes of Ender. With each eye placed, the air buzzes with power. And then, with a deep breath, I step into the unknown, the end. The Ender Dragon looms large as I enter. Its massive wings beat the air, and the sound is deafening. Endermen teleport around, their eerie noises filling the void. But I've come too far to back down now. I sprint, dodging the dragon's deadly fireballs, and take out the crystals, healing it. The final battle is intense. Arrow after arrow, I strike the dragon. Each hit feels like a victory. And then, with a triumphant yell, the final arrow flies true and fast. The Ender Dragon roars, its health bar depletes, and it explodes in a spectacular display of lights and experience orbs. As the portal back to the overworld appears, I step through, a conqueror. The credits roll, but my heart is still pounding. I've done it, defeated the Ender Dragon, faced countless dangers, and emerged victorious. Thanks for joining me on this incredible adventure. Remember, in Minecraft, with some bravery and a lot of persistence, you too can achieve anything. Until next time, keep building and exploring. See ya!